been searching for a place where I can hide away from the world. Oh, I've been looking for someone that could save me, and that's everything you are. 'Cause you've been the blanket when my heart was cold. You are so gentle, Lord, when I need saving. You are the shelter for my weary soul. You are my restoration haven. While winds and oceans rage, I know mountains can't be moved. Oh, and in the times I can barely lift a finger, Lord, you're gracious when I linger. 'Cause you were the blanket when my heart was cold, and you were so gentle, Lord, when I needed saving. You are the shelter for my weary soul. You are my restoration haven. Come and put your faith in Jesus. He has a gentle hand to hold. He is a kind and caring Father, and He will never let you go. Oh, come and put your faith in Jesus. He has a gentle hand to hold. He is a kind and caring Father, and He will never let you go. Jesus, you were the blanket when my heart was cold. You were so gentle, Lord, when I need saving. You are the shelter for my weary soul. You are my restoration haven. You are my restoration haven. God, I thank you so much that you are a place that we can go for restoration, a place that we can go even if we feel we don't need anything. God, you always invite us to come to you, and you are everything that we need. God, you can fill up any void we have in our hearts, any void that we have in our lives. And God, I am so thankful for the void that you have filled in my life. God, you have given me a new purpose. And God, I pray that everyone who has heard this song, God, I pray that everyone would come to know you and find you to be their restoration haven as well, no matter what they feel like they're running from, no matter even if they feel like they're not running from anything. God, you are so good, and I thank you for this day, the sunlight of a new day. And I pray that as we go, we would share your gospel with others and come to love you more every single day.